welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to unbox my new Onson cordless vacuum cleaner. I'm super excited about this product. For one, I have a regular traditional vacuum cleaner with a cord to it, but when it comes to me vacuuming my steps, I tell you, I struggle. I struggle bad. It's the worst. So I have this. So I'm going to unbox, assembly, and we're going to try it out. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video.
Bye.
So my Onson vacuum cleaner, it came from Amazon. And it is originally $199. It is on sale for $134. So we're just gonna unbox it, get some instructions, try to assemble this thing. I think this is just a warranty. We're gonna try to assemble it and see what we got. So we have the adapter, the charger, the plug for the charger. We have a hose here, a brush. Those are just attachments for it. I guess this may be a cleaning brush. This is the battery.
Mommy.
This is part of the vacuum. And I guess this is the main piece. And this is the vacuum part of it. And one more piece in here. This is just the wall mount, I guess, to mount the battery to the wall. This is what this is. So it don't seem like it's very many pieces. Besides the battery and the charger, the other pieces are attachments. So I'm gonna just try to put this thing together. Okay, that was simple. One snap. So I attached the handle to the vacuum, to the bottom part. So now I guess you just attach this to this. Okay, made a little snap noise. Now the battery. So the battery goes up under here. And let's see, do it go this way? Yes. So it just snaps right in like that. And we have a vacuum cleaner. So let's see what it does. Okay. So you hit the button here to turn on. It indicates here your battery life. So when it turns it on, It lets me know that I'm got a half a battery. And I was reading, and these part can extend. So you hit the button here, and it extends to give you that extra arm length. And this one, you can just press it. It detaches. Add that one. So it just snaps in place like that. And you can use it like that, or you can snap this one in place and use it like that. Pretty neat. So other than that, we have a little, I'm just attach this back in here. We have a little life. So we're going to do a test run on our Onson cordless vacuum cleaner. I have this little small section here in my bedroom that I'm going to try our new vacuum cleaner out. I noticed that it had a little button here, and it's a speed control button. So we're just gonna try it out to see exactly how good it sucks up. Okay, so let me detach this. This is the dirt. See if I can open it up without spilling it out. That's the dirt. It picked up fairly well. So now I'm going to take it downstairs and I'm going to dump it, and we're going to try it on my hardwood floor, because it's supposed to be for carpet, hardwood floors, and vinyl floors. And now I want to test it on my hardwood floors. Like, that was one of my biggest things besides my steps. So I have dumped it. As you can see, it's empty. So let's see exactly how much dirt it picks up off the hardwood floor. So I'm just gonna reattach it, and we're gonna start. Okay, so I just did a small portion of my hardwood floors. Just detach it here. And this is the dirt that it picked up. Let's see if I can open it for you guys. That is the dirt it picked up. Pretty amazing. I love it. So, before I give you guys my overall review, I have one more thing that I want to try it on. I detached it from the extended part and I put the bottom part directly to the power source, and I'm gonna hit a couple of my steps. I'm not gonna do it all because I'm just testing it, and I just want to see actually how well it cleans my carpet. I did not dump it. It's still the dirt in there from the hardwood floors, but I just want to test it. I did a couple of the steps, and let's just check the dirt. So yes, besides the dirt from the hardwood floor, as you can see, it works really good, like amazingly good. I'm super excited. I'm super happy that I finally have something that I can vacuum my steps with, and I'm not out of breath. I'm not tired. And it gets the job done. So overall, I absolutely love the Onson Cordless vacuum cleaner. I love that it can break down. I love that when it's together, you can have the extended length, you know, for tall people like me, because I'm tall, so I don't have to like bend over and try to vacuum with the extended arm. I love the fact that you can take the extended arm off and you can put the vacuum part to the main source, and like I'm able to go up and down my steps with no hesitation. I absolutely, that right there sold me altogether. It's very, very lightweight. Like when I say lightweight, I believe my 3-year-old can use the vacuum cleaner. That's how lightweight it is. It's not heavy at all. The battery life, it says it has 4 to 5 hours of battery life. You know, I don't know because I'm just reviewing it. But who vacuums a floor 4 to 5 hours straight? Not me. So with that being said, like, I think that's awesome that it does. It is capable of doing 4 to 5 hours, but I don't think nobody vacuums the floor 4 to 5 hours straight. Do you? No. Anyway, so I love the vacuum cleaner. I'm super excited. I give this vacuum cleaner a thumbs up, and I give it 5 stars. And I hope you guys enjoy this short review video. Comment below and let me know what you think about this video. Or I tell you what, if you guys have a cordless vacuum cleaner that you guys use, comment below and let me know what kind it is, what brand, and how you like it. Okay, so until the next time, until the next video, I'm about to go do some cleaning now, y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye.